Nice sharp knife. Watch how easy this makes it. Here we go. Here we go. That was impressive. The great reassembly is going to begin. We got our first pieces here, going to go in the trim around the motor well, and then we're going to work right from the back, work right up to the front.
What you doing there, Dad?
How they're labeled now for easy convenience.
I'm going to need to get a bunch of 316 stainless that I don't think I have.
Are you happy you labeled them?
Well, I want these holes probably lined up in a specific way, so.
Oh, you're not in frame. Now you are.
First corner piece going back on. In this case, got a nice new shiny new stainless eyelet we put in. I'll still need to drill out what's left of these old bolts. That's from tear down. We got it in, but re-glued some things underneath, and you can start to see how nice this vinyl is going to come out. We're going to go ahead and put the far corner on there with my helper and keep going. I think by tomorrow I'll have the bow and the corners on up there, and then I'm actually, since this is old and still kind of nasty looking, I'm actually going to spend a little bit of time. I'm going to polish these rails before I put the rest of the hardware on. I'm only putting the corners on because I need them to kind of hold everything. But then I'm going to polish it up, and we'll start putting fittings back on, and then we'll actually be in a position to start talking about putting rails back in this boat, and then interior pieces and seats and everything else. So we'll start really coming back together.
So the day has come to an end. What are your thoughts?
My thoughts is I'm happy with this floor. Very happy with the floor. It bonded really well, and sides are on. Take care of a couple little things. I'll get the edge rails done tomorrow. We'll polish it all up. We'll start putting more of the deck hardware back on, and be in the reassembly. We got a lot of cleaning to do on vinyl down here before the seats go back on, but that's not that big a deal.